Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Yasir Arafat, and in this video we are going to study Physics Paper 2 for grade 10 and 9 as per AKUEB syllabus. In this video we are going to focus on understanding based CRQs for both the classes. As we know that this paper is consisting of two parts, one is CRQ and other one is ARQ. So in this particular video, we will be focusing on the command words that usually clarifies the expectation regarding the cognitive levels and the skills which should be acquired by the students and which are assessed in its examination. So first we will we all know that we are having three cognitive levels in AKUEB syllabus: knowledge, understanding, and application. So for understanding base question, we are having the command word describe, distinguish, explain, identify, why, and how. So and these are the command words that could be used across all the cognitive levels that are complete, explore, find, give, label, read, use, and write. So the first question is the temperature of a metal rim is increased before fixing it to a wooden cartwheel. Give a scientific reason to support this statement. So in this particular question, it suggests us that a metal rim is heated up as the temperature of the metal is increased. Metal rim is increased, and before fixing it to the wooden cartwheel we need to give the scientific reason here. So here the give is our main command word that is associated with the understanding based question. As we can see that this question is of 2 marks, or sorry, 3 marks. These are the space that is given in the question. So as we know that when we are increasing the temperature, it will increase the kinetic energy, the molecular kinetic energy of the metal rim that will cause thermal expansion. And due to that thermal expansion, we will see that the metal rim will be fixed into the wooden cartwheel. So that is the main reason why the temperature of the metal rim needs to be increased to be fixed in the wooden cartwheel. So after increasing the diameter of the rim will be fixed to wooden cartwheel. The next question is question number 2. It says as that the animal fur coat is made in such a way that the inner surface of the material is the animal's skin and the outer surface is fur or hair. State the reason why the coat is warmer if it is worn inside out. The inner surface becomes the outer. So that means this is the space, and state is the main command words that is also reflecting us that this question is associated with the understanding based question. Remember, whenever we are using the animal skin, so the animal skin and the fur will not allow the air to travel outside, and the skin will not allow the air to travel inside. Okay, so as we see that the fur will remain inside of the coat, so that means it will be trapping the hot air inside the body or inside the coat. That will not allow the hot air to travel outside of the coat. And in the similar way, the skin of the coat will not be allowing the cold air to move inside, so which will be decreasing the temperature. So it is basically eliminating the cause or the reason behind the rise in decrease in temperature. So The coat is warmer if it worn inside out, where it traps body heat and seals it inside, just like it was sealing the, as I said and earlier, that it will be sealing the hot air inside the coat. Also, it will not allow the cold air to move inside. All obviously that will be decreasing the temperature. That is why it will not be allowing. Also, the skin of the coat is very hard and it does not have any space for air to move inside. Let's move to the grade 10. So the question is, mention any two benefits of transmitting information and data through an optical fiber. So mention is the main command word here. They have given us the space also. So here we need to mention the main benefit of using optical fiber to transmit data or information from one point to the another point. And remember, whenever we are using the optical fiber, that means we are using the light signal. So light signal usually have the highest speed as compared to anyone. So that means that it will increase the data transfer rate. So what we will be doing, we would be able to transfer data with the faster rate through the light signals. Also, that data should be encoded into the light signal as well before transmitting the data. The method of encoding is not included in grade 10 syllabus, so we will not be discussing that. But remember, the encoding is the main requirement whenever we are transferring the data or information through a light signal. The other one is that there will be no loss as light ray will be reflecting internally. Remember, whenever light ray is traveling from one point to another point due to the reflection, whether it is doing performing the internal reflection or it is doing a simple reflection, so there will be no energy loss will occur, okay, because the wavelength, speed and the frequency both will remain same at any case. So during the reflection, we will see no energy loss. So that is why we would be able to transfer data without any loss. Let's move the next question. It says the right one, use of transformer. As we know that transformer is a device that usually distributes or that usually used to transfer electrical energy from one place to another place. So this question is of 1 mark and right is the main command word here. So we need to only mention the process why we are using the transformer. It can be used to distribute electrical energy across the external load. That external load could be anywhere. It could be houses, it could be any certain region as well. Thank you for watching me. Inshallah, we will be coming back with the third and the last video, that is application based question.